I want to tell you about the Aries Lagna and the effects of Rahu and Ketu transit on Aries Lagna people. Rahu entered Taurus on 23rd September this year, and Taurus is the second house for Aries Lagna people, and second house is family and finances. So Aries Lagna people, they should be very careful about their financial income and about the welfare of their family members. And they may have financial setbacks, ups and downs, and the family members, they may suffer some good things and some bad things also. Again, Rahu being in the second house, he will be aspecting the 8th house of misfortune and accidents and sudden events. So Aries Lagna people, they should take extra care in this regard also. And again, Rahu will be aspecting 5th house. 5th house is of children, name, fame and intelligence. So Aries Lagna people, they should take extra care with regard to their children, with regard to the actions concerning their name and fame, and they should do necessary remedies for Rahu. For an in-depth analysis of this Rahu impact on all these houses, second house, 8th house and 5th house, 10th house, we should go for an in-depth analysis of individual's chart. We should analyze where Rahu is placed in their natal chart, with which planet it is conjunct, and where is the Rasi Lord of the Rahu is placed. Then we will get a clear picture of what Rahu is going to do in this 1.5 year for this Aries Lagna people. And Ketu, he is in Scorpio, 8th house. 8th house is very important house. It is the house of secrecy, misfortune, conjugal life, accidents, and the family of wife. So things pertaining to this 8th house will be impacted by Ketu. And Ketu is aspecting 4th house. 4th house means mother, education, conveyances, immovable properties. So Aries Lagna people, they should take extra care about all these aspects: mother, education, immovable properties and conveyances. They should take extra care regarding their conveyances and immovable properties. And Ketu from 8th house will be aspecting 12th house also. 12th house is house of expenditure, long journey and sometimes imprisonment. So this aspect also is to be studied in depth. Here also we have to see where Ketu is placed in the natal chart of an individual, where the Rasi Lord of that particular Rasi is placed, and then we can come to a clear-cut conclusion what is going to happen for Aries Lagna people in this 1.5 year. According to that, I will suggest suitable remedies or fortifications to reduce or increase the vibrations of Rahu and Ketu. Then by following these recommendations, we can reduce the affliction of Rahu and Ketu.